Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video series, I am introducing you different options, different attachments of our bestseller lathe machine. And in this exact video, I will show you how you can make designs with our lathe machine. Because I need to be creative, I need to make different designs, I just brought Mustafa, our wedding ring professional. He is much more professional than me in wedding ring production. So he will make different models for you. Let's start. Start. We are starting with a diamond tool. We will make first a round ring. That's not a model making option, but that's we are preparing the ring. It's very easy. Mustafa is doing this work for 20 years, but don't worry, when you buy our lathe machine, Mustafa or our other technicians will teach you how to use our lathe machine, and you can also make such beautiful models. So the surface is ready. Now we continue with the models. We will use magic wheel. That's the medium size magic wheel. Let's go. You see, I created the round shape ring first, and I'm covering magic wheel with a different special design. Here we go. So I covered with a background design with magic wheel. Magic wheel is a product with diamond powder on it. It's plated diamond powder, so it gives a finishing. Now we continue with a diamond tool. I want to show you, by the way, let me stop it a little bit for a second. Here you see the magic wheel effect. So after this I will continue to put a diamond tool. Which tool? How many? Hangi kalem? 1.5 concave tool. Pah yapacaksın. Evet. Mustafa will make the sides of the ring. So my ring looks like a semi-finished product, as you can see. After 1.5 millimeter concave tool, it will be covered all around, and it will be a finished product. Here you see the tool, and we are changing. Okay, you can put tak oraya. We are changing. Here you see the attachment. You take out with a screw and you put with a screw. It's really easy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are shooting a real-time video, so you can understand how fast it's and how easy it is to produce with our Bulunmaz lathe machine. Let's get a close look again. Here we completed one side of our ring. Then he is changing to the other side. And you can see how we make the buff sides of our ring. Finish? Model? No. That's all. Okay. Now we will make the last cut. We will make a line on the ring. You see, everything is real time. We are taking out the tool, we are putting the tool. You see all the process. It's already 2-3 minutes, I guess. So 0.5 millimeter convex tool. It's already 3 minutes, and in 3 minutes we made a entire ring. It's ready to be sold after rhodium plating, or you can sell it right over. Here we go with the other side. That's a simple model, but it's pretty popular in Europe, Eastern Europe, even Latin America, even United States. It's not so fancy, but it's a running model. Here it's finished. I want to show you. Sen şimdi diğerine devam ediyorsun. Okay, we go to next model. Here is the model finish. As you know, we have plated, we have covered with magic wheel. We used 1.5 millimeter concave tool for the sides, and we finished it with 3 lines with 0.5 millimeter convex tool. We also have CNC machines. Here you see our one of bestseller ring maker 4-axis CNC machine. Here you see our most advanced Bengal Master multi-axis 12-axis CNC machine. We also have CNC machines. We have all kind of technology for wedding ring production. But that's the lathe machine. It's our easiest, fastest and cheapest machine.
İkinci model Magic Wheel değişik.
Mustafa, speak English. Okay, start. Second model, we are using again magic wheel, but this time we didn't make a round ring, we are making a flat ring. We cover the surface of our ring in a few seconds. Then we continue here. You can see the result. Şimdi ne yapıyorsun?
Model atacağım.
What is next? 1 millimeter
Convex.
convex. 1 millimeter convex tool. That's a popular tool for wedding ring makers. Here we go. We just cut. We just make basic cuts. He's taking out the tool. Now 1,5 konkav.
1,5 konkav
Pah yapacaksın.
pah yapacağım. Ondan sonra yanına bir de açılı.
Now he is using again 1.5 millimeter concave tool. Don't forget 1.5 millimeter concave tool is mostly used for side cutting of the rings, and then he will finish the sides and go with the last touch of that ring. One side finished and the other side is in a few minutes he completed. Mustafa, you are very fast. Çok hızlısın.
Thank you.
And last touch will be degree tool. I guess
3120.
3 mm 130.
3120.
It's another popular size. 3 mm 130 tool. We will make a diamond cut on it and finish the model. You see all the process, how to fix and unfix the tools. I can even see myself in the shine. So we are finishing the left and right side of the convex parts,
Finish.
and it's finished. Here you see our next model. We used again magic wheel, the diamond plated tool in the center. Then we made 1 mm convex tool. Then we completed sides of the convex and this part with 3 mm 130 Pazalux diamond tool. We will make you 3 model today. That was the second one. I'm keeping them. The last model, what you will make? Son modelde ne yapacaksın?
Son modelde Magic Wheel'in ince serisini kullanalım.
Bu değil mi? This one we will use our last model magic wheel. It's a thin grit. The first one,
Line kalem kullanalım.
the first one was medium, and that's a soft one. We have three types of wedding wheel, magic wheel. Here you go. And again, we are covering the ring. That's all. You see, it's a little bit softer. We have a soft, medium, and hard grit. Hard grit is pretty hard. It has a big size diamonds. Soft one and medium one has really little diamonds on it. So he's now fixing the diamond tool. Which tool? Hangi kalemi takıyorsun?
Düz kalemi takacağım. 2 milim düz kalemle
He's fixing 2 mm flat tool, and he will make the sides of the ring, left side and right side. When you order our Bulunmaz lathe machine, we give you a brief information about which tools you use. We have, I can say, 15 to 20 most important tools you have to use. We will recommend you all of them. If you remember the other tool, I used 1.5 mm concave tool, but here I'm using 2 mm 180 flat concave tool for the same place, left side and right side of the ring.
2 milim line.
It's done, and now we are completing our model with a line tool. What means line tool? It has a lines. So how many lines? Kaç taraklı?
5 line.
5 lines, 2 mm size and 5 lines on it. And we will complete the model with that. Here you go. Here you see the lines I mean. So that size of this model is 2 mm and there are 5 lines on it. Finish.
Son
Yok.
bir ufak ufak bir işlem daha var.
Last touch. If you wanna know more about our Bulunmaz lathe machine, just have a look at our YouTube channel. We have
5 convex.
many more videos about it. 0.5 mm convex, and that's the last touch just to finish sides of my lining tool. That's all. You see the difference. It's a really small difference, but you see how it changed the aura of the ring.
Finish.
That's all. My ring is ready in a few minutes. We used magic wheel again in the center. I used 2 mm flat tool on the sides here. Then my lining tool in the center, and here we completed with 0.5 mm convex tool. Mustafa, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You are best wedding ring professional. Even better than me. Mustafa is better than me for sure. He has 20 years experience in the industry. He is manufacturing wedding bands for how many years? 20 years. 20 yıldır.
20 yıl, okay.
20 plus years. So here are here I wanna have a close look again. 3 rings we made in less than 3 minutes each today. Keep watching our videos. We have we shoot many videos with different ring techniques, how to make rings. We go home. Eve gidelim artık.
Evet.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go home.
Okay.
So thank you very much for watching our videos. If you have any questions, you can always write on the comments below. And if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.